Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of creating a bio in Facebook. Your bio is a great way to showcase your personality and provide a brief introduction to yourself. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Once you're on the main screen, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. On your profile page, locate and tap on the Edit Profile button. It's usually situated below your profile picture. Step 4. Scroll down the page until you find the Bio section. Tap on the Add button next to it. Step 5. Now, it's time to type in the things you want to include in your bio. You can write a short description about yourself, your interests, or anything you'd like to share. Once you're done, tap on the Save button to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully created a bio in Facebook. Your bio will now be visible on your profile for others to see. Remember, your bio is an excellent opportunity to make a memorable first impression. Keep it concise, engaging, and true to yourself. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.